Do you want to see muted stories on Facebook? You can find muted stories on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see muted stories on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the three lines menu at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings from the expanded menu. On the Settings screen, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. From here, find and select Stories. A new screen will open with different story settings. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see stories you've muted. Tap on the View button next to stories you've muted. Here, you will see the list of all friends and pages whose stories you have muted. If you want to unmute someone's story, simply tap on Unmute next to their name.